Good morning, students. Welcome back to your science class. I am Gayanti Singh, your science teacher. Already, we have discussed about synthetic fiber and its two types. In this video, we will study about rest types of fibers, that is polyester and acrylic. Let's discuss one by one. Polyester. Polyester is another synthetic fiber which is wrinkle resistant. It is strong, lightweight and elastic. Clothes made from polyester fabrics have excellent wash and wear characteristics and therefore require minimum care. Terylene are the common variety of this class of synthetic fiber, which are mixed with natural fiber to enhance their properties. Polyester is the synthetic fiber in which the polymer units link by ester groups. The chemical compounds used in making polyester fibers are made from petroleum products called petrochemicals. Polyester is also a thermoplastic polymer. When molten polyester is forced through tiny holes, then thin polyester fibers are made. Properties. It is strong, lightweight and has good elasticity. Elasticity is the ability of a material to return its original shape after it has been stretched or compressed. Second property, it resists wrinkles and spring back in original shape when creased. Polyester fibers can be washed and dry easily and quickly. As comparison to nylon, it is stronger and softer than nylon fiber. Polyester, as the name indicates, is made of many ester units which may be synthesized from petroleum products. What is ester units? Ester is a sweet smelling organic compounds formed when an organic acid and an alcohol combines and release water. Polyester is of different types. It is blended with natural fibers to improve its properties. The most commonly used polyesters are terrywool, terrycot and terrysilk. Terrywool, a blend of terylene and wool which has amazing property, is used to make suit length. Terrycot, a blend of terylene and cotton, is commonly used for making dress material, shirts, skirts, etc. Terrysilk, a blend of terylene and silk. It is a cheapened version of silk and used to make saris, dress material, etc. You must have heard about PET bottles or PET jars used by your mother in the kitchen for the storage of water or other things. What does PET means? PET stands for polyethylene terephthalate, is actually a polyester used for making utensils, wire, film rolls and many other useful products. Acrylic fibers is a substitute for natural wool, are dissolved in suitable solvents and the solution is forced through splinter to form fine filaments which are spun into yarns. The wool obtained from natural sources is quite expensive, while acrylic offers a relatively cheap option which is available in a variety of color and is more durable. As comparison to acrylic and wool, acrylic fibers are also not affected by moisture, bacteria or chemical easily. Acrylic fibers are warm, soft, light, flexible and are also known as orolon. They are easily knitted to make sweaters, shawls, socks. Acrylic fibers fabrics are made from a synthetic polymer called acrylonitrile. This type of fiber is produced by reacting certain petroleum or coal-based chemicals with a variety of monomers, which means that acrylic fibers is a fossil fuel-based fiber. Spandex, also known as lycra, is a long-chain synthetic polymeric fiber. It is soft and rubber-like and allow the fiber to stretch a lot and then recover its original shape. The high elasticity of the fabric made from these fibers is suitable for making clothes which require a body-hugging fit like swimming costume, undergarments, shirts, etc. Before discuss about advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fiber, let's first understand the difference between synthetic and natural fiber. Synthetic fibers are thin, fine and continuous as they are drawn from the sphincters. But on other hand, natural fibers are usually short. Synthetic fibers are indispensable in present-day life because of their properties and capabilities. They are responsible for the development of a broad range of textile products and innumerable industrial products. The disadvantages associated with synthetic fibers is their non-biodegradability in addition to their hydrophobic nature. Synthetic fibers have many advantages which are summarized below. First, not affected by chemicals. The fibers are not affected by the action of chemicals, moistures and bacteria easily. Second, independent of crops. The production of synthetic fiber is independent of agriculture crops and animal farming. Third, easy to maintain. The fabrics made from polyester and nylons are easier to maintain as they retain the folds even after washing as they are set by application of heat. Next, easy elastic in nature. The fibers have elasticity, a property by which they regain their original shape after stretching or compressing. Next, tensile strength. The fibers have high tensile strength, a property due to which they withstand heavy loads without breaking. The fibers are comparatively low-cost products as comparison to natural fibers. The disadvantages of synthetic fibers have been summarized below. First, synthetic fibers are hydrophobic, that is, repel moisture. In other words, they do not allow our skin to breathe. Not only are they uncomfortable, but they are also have negative health effect, as our body uses the skin to eliminate toxic substances. Second, synthetic fibers melt before burning. As a result, the clothes made up of such fibers melt and stick to the skin in case of fire and cause heavy burns. They need careful ironing also. Third, synthetic fibers accumulate electric charges on them. As a result, they cling together and stick to the skin, causing irritation. Your hair stands straight after combing with nylon comb vigorously due to electric charge in the comb. Let's summarize. Synthetic fibers are not only used for making clothes, but they have diverse uses ranging from making of curtains, furniture, mops, mats, parachute, aeroplane tires and many other things. The textile industry is one of the major uses of synthetic fibers. The synthetic fibers is blended with natural fibers in different proportion to enhance its properties. For example, terylene is blended with cotton, silk and wool to form terrycot, terrysilk and terrywool. The blended material has the ability to absorb sweat, so it is more comfortable, more durability and less electric charge, better heat setting property, less luster and more resembles to natural fibers.